Stop hiring your next IT disaster. If you hire an IT project manager by just scanning for PMP certifications and a list of familiar software, you might as well be flipping a coin. You are setting yourself up for failure. Projects run over budget, miss deadlines, or fizzle out. Stay with me. In the next 5 minutes, you'll get clear steps to assess candidates effectively and compliantly, plus insider hiring tips specific to IT project managers. No jargon, practical steps you can use in your next interview and hiring decision. We'll cover what the role contributes, must-have skills, what to ask, where to source candidates, and how to make a compliant offer. By the end, you'll have a repeatable framework to hire a PM who leads teams, not just manages tasks. The right IT project manager is the glue that holds your technical initiative together. They translate executive vision into actionable work for developers and anticipate roadblocks before they become disasters. They keep stakeholders informed and maintain morale under pressure. When you hire the right person, projects deliver smoothly, teams feel supported, and your tech investments pay off. Get it wrong and you get wasted resources, demoralized teams, and failed projects. Nearly 40% of IT projects fail due to unclear objectives. A great PM prevents that. They clarify objectives, define milestones, and align the team. Think about the last project that went sideways. Did you have someone who could bridge strategy and day-to-day execution? Let's break the skill set into 2 buckets, technical and soft. Technical first, methodology fluency, agile, scrum, waterfall, or hybrid, and the ability to choose the right approach for the project. Tool fluency, Jira, Trello, Asana. Useful, but adaptability matters more than any single tool. Certifications like PMP or CSM are useful. Think of them like a driver's license. They signal textbook knowledge, but don't substitute for demonstrated leadership in messy, real-world projects. Soft skills, clear communication, stakeholder management, the ability to translate technical constraints to non-technical audiences, adaptability, problem-solving, and calm under pressure. These separate good PMs from great ones. Prioritize demonstrated outcomes and leadership over badges alone. Standard questions like, what is your greatest weakness? Don't cut it for complex roles. Use behavioral questions that force specific past examples. Ask, tell me about a time a project was derailed by a conflict between 2 key team members. What did you do? What was the outcome? A weak answer is vague and textbook. A strong one cites a specific project, steps taken, and measurable outcome. Give a mini case study. 2 weeks from launch, marketing already announced it, and a major security vulnerability is found. What do you do? Watch process, not just the answer. Do they gather facts, assess impact, identify stakeholders, and form a communication plan? Look for calm prioritization, ownership, and clear stakeholder communication. Ask, describe a project you managed that you consider a major success. What made it successful? Or tell me about a project that failed. What did you learn? Top sources, referrals, best, LinkedIn professional groups, and niche tech job communities. Fish where the fish are. PM communities and engineers networks yield higher signal candidates than general job boards. Use structured interview scorecards, ATS features for anonymized screening, and practical technical or scenario tests. Protect fairness and compliance. Use the same core behavioral questions for every candidate and avoid protected class topics. Instead of asking about kids, ask, this role sometimes requires responding to urgent issues after hours. How have you handled similar expectations? Common traps, over-indexing on pedigree, rushing hires, ignoring team fit. Treat certifications as one data point and prioritize outcomes. Do thorough references. Ask for examples of crisis handling and one area the candidate needs development. Move with purpose. Benchmark salary, get approvals ready, extend the offer over the phone, and follow up with a clear written offer. If you need help now, check peopleteam.com/hiring. Subscribe for more hiring guides.